storm. I think they're calling it the bomb blizzard or blizzard bomb or some nonsense. I would say it's a good foot. Work van dug out. We're just waiting for the plows to come through to finish that. Plowed him a walkway this way, and let's do another cleanup later or tomorrow. This is effing ridiculous. Nope, the plows haven't, they came through once and then through again. I mean, can't blame them, but seriously. Goodness. But this little guy, he could get two craps about anything. Well, enjoy your day and be careful if you're out there shoveling.